Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This is week 3 of Sanding 101. Today we're getting nitty gritty and asking, what is grit? What does that number represent? Well, I will tell you. When you make sandpaper, you sift minerals through a screen, and the number of holes per square inch on that screen is a direct correlation to that number on the package. So if you were to take aluminum oxide, sift it through a screen with 80 holes per square inch, you guessed it, you're making 80 grit sandpaper. So the number of holes that you have determines the size particles that can fall through. So bigger holes, bigger particles. Great. Now the way they cover the sandpaper is called coat. So you can have an open coat, semi-open coat, or a closed coat. Closed coats are going to be better for hardwoods, semi-open and open are better for softwoods. The more closed the coat, the more the sanding dust is held in between those particles. And the more you have that buildup in there, the more friction you create, which creates more heat, which decreases the life of your sandpaper.